guys, guess where we're pulling up to? The Jelly Belly Factory.
Yay!
You want a jelly bean shaped pizza?
I want a Jelly Belly. Me too. Yeah, yeah. Jelly Belly. Whoa.
How cool.
Look at those jellies.
Whoa, how cool. Yeah. Oh, that's awesome. That is so cool. That is so cool.
Hi guys, we're inside of it.
Inside of where?
Jelly.
Inside the jelly's belly.
Inside the jelly's belly.
It's a lot of jelly beans.
Yeah.
There you go.
Thank you. All right, here's your hat. Here's your hat. Daddy's hat. Let me see, Jay. Nice, dude. Let me see, Ava. Nice, princess. Please keep your hats on your head at all times. One, two, three. All right. Berry Cherry Lane. Who is that? Who's that right there? Made out of jelly beans. Do you know this guy? George Washington. George Washington. Ben Franklin. Abe Lincoln. What does it smell like, Jay? What does it smell like? Popcorn? Let's open it up and see. Is it popcorn? Buttered popcorn. Good nose. What's that one? You don't know? Let's see if Ava can guess. Chocolate. Okay, you want to smell that one? What's that one smell like?
Oh yeah, that's
Cherry? Okay, let's open it up. Let's see. And cinnamon!
Yeah, that's what I was about to say.
Daddy, what's that one?
What's that one? Oh,
Mama's allergic to this one.
I'm allergic to this one. What is it? Open it up. Coconut!